Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do decimal division. First, understand that decimal division is simply dividing numbers that contain decimal points. The key is to make the divisor, the number you are dividing by, a whole number. You achieve this by shifting the decimal point in both the divisor and the dividend. This initial step simplifies the entire division process significantly. To begin, shift the decimal point in your divisor until it becomes a whole number. Next, you must shift the decimal point in the dividend the exact same number of places to the right. Once both decimals are moved, place the decimal point for your answer, the quotient, directly above the new position of the decimal in the dividend. Now, you can divide as you normally would with whole numbers. Let's try an example. Imagine you need to divide 12.5 by 0.5. First, move the decimal one place to the right in both numbers. This transforms your problem into 125 divided by 5. Now, perform the division. You will find that 125 divided by 5 equals 25. This method makes complex decimal problems much simpler to solve. A common mistake is misplacing the decimal point in your final answer, the quotient. Always ensure it is directly above the new decimal position in the dividend. Another error is forgetting to add zeros to the dividend if you run out of digits before the division is complete. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.